Hey folks, going to do a quick string comparison again between the Monel Martins and the Diodario Phosphor Bronze. So these are the Phosphor Bronze 13 uncoated, and I'm going to put the 13 Monels. These aren't the Tony Rice ones, these are just the regular ones. And we'll see how the tone compares. Here we go. Not too bad. Let me know which ones you prefer. I used to love these strings, and I'm going to try to fall back in love with them. Hey folks, so I've been playing on these strings for a while, and they're a little more broken in. So I just wanted you to hear how they sound after they've been played on for a bit. Same pick, it's a TP48 blue chip. Here we go. I don't know. Let's try to play something mellow. I like them. I'll probably keep them on for a little while. Take care.